Hello, welcome to my Godot tutorial. I'll teach you how to make stuff transparent in Godot 4.3 and above. So I've got this block here, which I want to make transparent. So what you want to do is, it doesn't matter what you're using. It could be a CSG, mesh. I'm using a mesh. It really doesn't matter what you're using. You've got to have material set up. I have a standard material just put on, and you want to navigate down to a tab called transparency, like this. See? And at default it will be disabled, and you've got multiple options to press around with here, but the main one I'm just going to show you now is alpha. You can play around with this as much as you like. Press on alpha. This will enable transparency, and to actually make something transparent, as you can see, it's quite opaque at the moment. So what you want to do is you want to go down to albedo, which will be down here. Press on the color, and you may see in the raw section and RGB and HSV that there's a section called A, and you adjust it. As you can see in the middle, the transparency is going up and down as I move it up and down, and there you are. And you just X out, and there. If you run it, you should just get, see, perfect. Thank you, goodbye.